Hi, my name is Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to create a recurring maintenance reminder within TenantCloud. TenantCloud makes it easy to set reminders for those quarterly furnace filter changes, daily pool maintenance, scheduled appliance installations, or any other reason you may need a reminder for. First, click on the Maintenance tab on the left side menu. Select Reminders from the drop-down menu in the top left of the screen. Here, you will see a list of all reminders that you have created. You are able to edit or delete any of the reminders that you have already created. To create a new reminder, click the green Add Reminder button in the top right. Next, select the property. Select a category, subcategory, issue, and sub-issue. Please note that the issue is mandatory, but the sub-issue is also mandatory. Here, you can assign a priority status for the reminder, a service date, and schedule the frequency of the maintenance reminder. Add a detailed description of the work that is needed and click Create to finish. And that is how easy it is to create a maintenance reminder. To start managing your rental properties for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.